Oh.
Hello, welcome to Jeremy and Logan and Pauline's podcast. Oh wait, this isn't a podcast, right?
It's a weather news
It's
channel?
news, news. Okay, so first let's start off with this. We have a trapezoidal prism, which is this shape right here. And we want to find volume. We want to fill it with any illegal substances, probably, any food, anything you can think of. So how do we get that volume? To get that volume, we find base, which is this right here. We find the area of that and multiply it by the height of the entire figure. So let's start off with base. This is a trapezoid, and the equation to find area for any trapezoid is base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2 times the height. So the first base is 1.5 plus base 2, which is 3, which equals 4.5, divided by 2 is 2.25, and times the height of 1.5 gives you the answer of 3.375. So now the height. What's the height? The height of the shape is 3 inches. So we get the area of the base, which we found is 3.375 times 3, which gives us an answer of 10.125. So if you were filling this with weed, maybe like the weeds in your front yard, you would have enough space for 10.125 inches squared of that weed in your front yard. Of course, the pesky weeds.
Colorado.
No. Now to surface area.
No, under 420.
For surface area, we find the area of each base and add them all up. So first, for the base, we get 3.375, which we got previously, so we already know that. Now, we know that it's double, so 3.375, two of those, plus the top, and the top is 4.5 because we do this length times this length because it is a square. And when we do it for all of them, we have the top as 4.5, the left and right sides as both as 6, and the bottom as 9. And when added all up, this comes out to be, let me check my calculations real quick. Okay, what is this thing? How do you get into the calculator?
Oh, it's because it's not on.
How do you do that?
Look that up.
Oh, okay, where's the calculator though?
No, you have to take off the case for that part.
No, the calculator.
Beep, beep, intermission.
We're back. Sorry about the difficulties. Anyways, when adding all the sides up that we got, which were 3.375 for one base, 3.375 for the other base, the top of 4.5, and the left and right sides both of 6, as well as the bottom of 9, we get a total of 29.25 for the surface area. And now on to Jeremy for different shapes of this trapezoidal prism.
Take this, you're gonna need it. Now, fun fact that most people don't know is that every single trapezoid can be divided in 2.
Wow.
But wait, I know.
What is that?
This is not 1, but 2.
Holy shit.
And if we calculate the surface area of each one of these halves, and we add it together, it'll total this. And we can prove this by calculating the area of each one of these faces. So we'll start with the front face, being to find the area of a trapezoid, it's base 1 plus base 2 over 2 times the height. So in this case, once we add all that up, the area of this face is 3.375.
Which we got earlier.
Due to your trusty calculators.
Yes.
Now if we do the same, since this is square, we can easily find out that, well, with the formula to find the area of a square, length times the width, we can find out the top is 2.25. We know that the left side, which is also square, and since its side is 1.5, we can calculate the area of that being 3. And since the other side is exactly the same, this one is 3 as well. Now once we add all those faces together, we get a total of 16.125 for the surface area of all these faces combined. But if we double that, giving us 30.24, it'll be, just like Isaac said, the total surface area of the entire shape.
Who's
Yeah.
Isaac?
Wait.
I thought it was Logan.
There's more. To calculate the volume of this, we get the big B, which is the area of the face. And since we calculate that, we know it's 3.375, and we multiply that by the height, which is 1.5, we get 5.0625.
Wait, and 5.0625 times 2 is the original volume of 10.125. Oh my god.
Thus we proved
It's magic.
that if we divide it in 2, and if we multiply it by 2, it equals the same
Holy
thing.
shit.
Oh my god.
Oh, hello there. My name is Matilda. Today we're going to be talking about the area of trapezoids. So what we have basically is a 2-inch line, another 2-inch line, 2-inch, and at the bottom we have 4 inches. Now, the formula for area is quite simple. It's going to be little base times large base over 2 times the height of the trapezoid. So that'll be 2 plus 4 over 2 times 1, giving us 3 inches squared as the area.